Hi everyone! In this video, we will cover how to invite learners to your course, as well as how to delete or unenroll learners. The functionality for adding or removing learners from a course is accessible in the Instructor Dashboard. This is located in the LMS. To access the Instructor Dashboard, you can go directly to the learner view of your course, or if you are in Studio, select your desired course and then select View Live. Now, hover your mouse over View this course as and select Instructor. This brings you to the Instructor Dashboard. Next, we select the Membership tab and find the section Batch Enrollment. Here, you can enter the emails of the learners you wish to register, separated by commas or line breaks. You can also copy and paste email addresses directly from Excel. You may select whether or not you wish for your invites to be automatically registered by selecting the checkbox Auto Enroll. If selected, users who have not yet registered in MOOCit will be automatically registered. If this option is unchecked, users who have not yet registered in MOOCit will not be registered, but they will be authorized to register as soon as they have created their account. You may also check Notify Users by Email. If this option is selected, users will receive an email notification that they have been registered or invited to register for the course. Finally, select Enroll. If you selected to notify learners by email, they should receive the notification now. Since I put my email on the list, I just received this email. As a learner, I can select Access the course materials now, and it will bring me to the course or to the registration page. If I don't have an account yet, this is the email I will receive, with a link to the registration form for me to create my account before accessing the course. If you wish to unenroll a student, from the Instructor Dashboard, simply add in the emails of the students that you wish to unenroll under Batch Enrollment and select Unenroll. You can also choose whether or not to notify these learners about their unenrollment. And this is how to manage learner invitations to your course.